Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a transaction hold with Mastercard, beginner guide step by step clearly. If you find yourself facing a transaction hold with Mastercard, don't worry, as the process to resolve it is straightforward. Begin by checking your email for any notifications from Mastercard. Look for any messages that may explain the reason for the transaction hold. Log into your Mastercard account using the official website or app. Navigate to the transaction history and identify the transaction that is on hold. Take note of the transaction details, such as the amount and date. If there is no explanation in your email, contact the merchant involved in the transaction. Ask them if they can provide insight into why the transaction was held. If the merchant is unable to resolve the issue, gather the necessary documentation. This includes any receipts or confirmation emails related to the transaction. Next, contact Mastercard's customer service. You can find the customer service number on the back of your card or on their official website. When you reach a representative, explain the situation clearly. Provide them with all relevant details, including the transaction information you noted earlier. If prompted, submit any documentation they request to support your case. Inquire about the expected timeframe for resolving the hold. Keep records of your communication with both the merchant and Mastercard. During this time, monitor your email and account for updates. Once the hold is lifted, verify that the transaction has been processed correctly. If the issue persists, follow up with Mastercard for further assistance. Staying proactive and organized will help you resolve the transaction hold efficiently. Remember, patience is key as these issues may take some time to resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.